Horse trailer bathroom update. Dad has his corner cabinet shelves all finished. Well done. And we got the shower, surround, pan, and drain installed today.
Couldn't hit that pipe any closer to the center, could I?
Oh, yeah. Dad's been hard at work installing everything here. We've got our faucet roughed into our sink, vanity cabinet all installed, Dad's custom shelves, and the light roughed in up top. I still have to do the wiring and finish the sink plumbing. And the best part, the shower's done. I don't know how to use the opener. Look at that. Shower is all installed. A little bit of a slope here. The door wants to close. But look at that. Awesome. Good job, Dad. Very insulated. All of the batting is up for the walls. It feels a lot quieter in here now. Not nearly as much reverberation in my voice. They've got all of the fabric laid out to cover the walls here. They've already got the batting stapled up. They are currently measuring, and they're about to cut their first piece. I'll come back out and get some updates in a bit.
What do you think of the color?
Excellent.
Doesn't it look pretty much like the other?
Oh yeah, ritzy.
Just puffier than the other is the only thing.
Yeah.
All right, light, Deborah.
Oh, sorry.
All right, just bathroom update here. They've got the walls in. It's so quiet in here. All of this batting on the walls has really affected the acoustics here. Just finished wiring up the light. Got the outlets working here. And our GFCI and the heater in the bathroom. Dad's got all of the plumbing done. Making progress. Got some of the fabric up, and they're gonna have to do a lot of trim work. Do such a thing.
I know.
No. I know it.
Oh, you
Drastic.
can leave your boots on. I've been getting in with my boots all day long.
Blipper's gonna eat
Oops.
it. Watch your little dog head. Just like that. Almost made it.
Oh, you're a bad boy, Andrew.
I know. The wife lock. It looks lovely. What do you think? Can you reach the skylight? Look at Mickey. He wants to come in.
I can.
Can you reach the thing that opens the doohickey? You can reach it almost.
I can.
Yeah, you can.
I'm gonna have to use a little stool or something.
Yeah.
It won't show dirt, is what I'm trying to say. Yes. Well, the one I want to get is like
Oh, yes.
washable or whatever.
Yes, yeah. Yeah, not delicate.
Oh, okay. Now I'll show you. You can help me decide then.
That's where the toilet will go.
Crowbar and the hooks. Oh yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. All right, we got the final piece of the horse trailer gray water drainage system hooked up. We've got our shower, our bathroom sink, all the way up front to our kitchen sink. There's the outlet. Can you open it? Or did I do it too close to the trailer.
Yeah,
There
that
we
was
go.
pretty easy.
Good.
Mine's a son of a gun. But if they,
Open the, or no, we want to keep the hatch closed first.
yeah,
See if it
that's close.
stays. Oh. Drain down. Okay.
We need some caulking there around that.
We will.
Right there.
Yeah, we will. From the top. Bathroom.
These have never been checked.
All right.
How about that?
So far, so good. Oh, we got a leak. Your drain has a leak. Yeah, that'll work. It's not much. All right. Now the big one. I'm gonna put the shower all the way down and just hit the pan. Okay. I don't see anything new, I don't think. Cool. Looking good. Now, for the real test. Everything is drained. Let us go.
See if there's any water.
Yeah.
Couldn't be.
Drum roll, please. So far, so good. All right.
How about that?
Happy.
Yeah.
That worked really well.
Pretty sweet.
Heck yeah.
Okay, well, we can pull this one out.
Dad did a fantastic job getting as much of the finish work done as he could. Finished a lot of the trim, the wainscot, got a few of the towel hangers up. That's our temporary window curtain. Got more of the trim up here. This was a real fun one to bend. Had to piece a little bit of the back together, but he did an awesome job. It's looking like a finished product now.